Hello children, welcome back to the online classes for English grammar. Well, today we have come up with a very different and interesting topic. Yes, this is helpful for you as well. See, many a times you get this thing to write in your exams, isn't it? You have to write a paragraph. You are told to write a few lines or a few sentences on a topic. A particular topic is given to you and you are to write some lines on it, isn't it? And that becomes very difficult when you go to write it, because now is the time when you need to learn it on your own. You cannot mug up every single time, can you? No, that will not help us in the long run. So you need to learn how to write it on your own. So this is what I'm going to do it today. Today we are going to talk about how to write a paragraph, alright, or a few lines on a topic. Before we start, we need to know what is paragraph writing. Paragraph writing means writing something about a particular topic within a few words or sentences. Yes, paragraph writing means we are given some topics and we need to write a few sentences or a few words which will be given to us within those word limit or the sentence limit. We need to finish our writing. Alright, so paragraph writing is basically topic will be given to you and you have to write a few lines on it, few sentences on it, and it is generally not too big. It has to be very small. Okay, so it is not very big and it is very small in fact. So that is what it is about. So I think this video is going to help you out, because I am going to teach you how to write a paragraph using a paragraph writing itself. I'm going to write a paragraph for you and show you how I have written it down step by step. Alright, so if you want to learn, see this video. So to write a paragraph, we need to do the following things. First of all, we need to see the topic provided to us for the writing. Alright, we have to see the topic. A topic will be given to us, definitely. We have to see the topic that is given to us. Topic means something on which we are going to write the paragraph. So we are going to see the topic provided to us. Then we have to think of some sentences about the topic. As soon as we hear the topic, what all sentences that come to our mind, we need to think of it, and we have to then write down the point somewhere. Yes, we have to write down the point somewhere, and then finally we have to write it in a proper order. So here I have mentioned that we have to see the topic, and after seeing the topic we need to think of some sentences and write it somewhere. Yes, where will you write this? Where is this somewhere? I'm going to show you in this video. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch the video completely. Watch the full video to know this. And also, you have a paragraph writing in your syllabus for half yearly My Garden, which I have done here using these steps. So please follow that so that you can learn easily. Alright, so I guess you've understood this part. We have to do certain things and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so let's move on to what we are going to do, and let's see how we are going to write the paragraph using these things. I know it's very confusing right now, but it would be all cleared when you get to see what we are doing. So stay tuned and see this video entirely to get the whole thing properly. Alright, so let's move on and see. Now let us try out writing a paragraph and see whether we can write it or not. Yes, we've known the points. Now we should be able to write the paragraph, I guess. Alright, then let's start. So our topic is, I told you before only, our topic is My Garden. Yes, this topic is already included in your half-yearly syllabus. So I have written this down using some short techniques. See, before starting, let's quickly see the picture of a garden to get a clear idea. Yes, see children, whenever you get to hear a topic, a picture comes in your mind, isn't it? So this is that picture. See this is the picture of a garden. Yes, whenever you hear about a garden, your mind shows you a picture, and this is that picture. I'm trying to portray that. I'm trying to show it here so that it is easier for you to write down the paragraph alone. Okay, because you need to learn. Now you are mugging up and you're writing, that's okay, but this is important, isn't it? See, this is what I have done. I've made a chart. a wheel, a circle, and I've drawn some lines and I've written some points out here. So here, if you remember, in this part we had written that we need to see the topic, think of some sentences and write it somewhere. And where is this somewhere? This somewhere is nothing but here. We have to make a big circle like a wheel, and then we have to make some spokes or lines like this. We have to draw some lines and we need to write the points one by one. Understood? So see, we have written down some points out here. See, I have a beautiful garden in my house. See this picture, children? Yes, when we see this picture, we will definitely get some idea. So we have utilized that picture and we have written down some points out here. The first one I've written is, there are many beautiful flowers. I love flowers. There are tall trees too. We have planted vegetables. A gardener takes care. I water the plants regularly. I love gardening. I have a beautiful garden in my house. So I have written down some points. It totals up to 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 points are there. And we are not going to only write it like this. One by one we will suddenly write this. No, we have to arrange it in proper order and see whether which line comes first and which line comes after that. Okay, and then we have to arrange it and write it down. This is easy. This you can do it. Definitely you can. I'll help you out by writing the paragraph for you. So, I hope you've understood this part. Let's move on to the paragraph. See, my garden. I have a beautiful garden in my house. Yes, it is written like this. No, I have a beautiful garden in my house. I love gardening, and so we have set up a small garden at our home. See here, I have written down, I have a beautiful garden in my house. Written no, I love gardening. This is also written. So, we have used these points here in the paragraph. When writing the paragraph, I have utilized these points. See, I have a beautiful garden in my house. I love gardening, and so we have set up a garden. See, I love gardening is given out here. I have added some more points to it and to make it more beautiful. I love gardening, and so we have set up a small garden at our home. This is to make the paragraph beautiful. Okay, you can definitely write small points in the circle and then you can come back and see here I have written small points. Okay, but then again what I have done is I have modified it, or rather I have used some of the words, some more words I've used from here to here, so that you people find it little interesting and the paragraph becomes beautiful. So the next line is, there are many beautiful flowers in my garden. There are many tall trees too. It is full of greenery. We have also planted some vegetables in our garden. I water the plants. See here, all these points are taken from here. See, we have planted vegetables, tall trees, water the plants regularly. All these things are taken from here. So whatever we have written out here, we would be writing out here also, but in a proper order. So we have also planted some vegetables in our garden. I water the plants regularly in my garden. A gardener is there to take care of the garden properly. I love my garden very much. Clear? So I hope you've understood this part, how I have used some more words to make it more beautiful. So let me read out the paragraph once again so that you understand pretty well. My garden. I have a beautiful garden in my house. I love gardening, and so we have set up a small garden at our home. There are many beautiful flowers in my garden. There are many tall trees too. It is full of greenery. We have planted some vegetables in our garden. I water the plants regularly in my garden. A gardener is also there to take care of the garden properly. I love my garden very much. Children, if you remember, I had written down this I love flowers in the circle part where what I had made. But I later on thought that I should change it and I should write I love my garden very much. So I did it. You can make any changes, but you first need to do that. To make it a proper thing, to write it down properly without mugging up anything, without taking help from your parents, you need to make that circle. Alright, and you need to write down the points that way. That is how you learn. That is how slowly and steadily you will see that you don't need to mug up any paragraph, or you don't need the help of any teacher or any parent. you can write it on your own. So this is how we are going to write out the paragraph on our own. So children, I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please press the like button, because I am not getting any response from you. I should get any response from you. Otherwise, how will I understand whether you're seeing it, learning it or not? Isn't it? Alright, so I hope you have understood this part, how we have done it, and I hope this will help you out to write down the paragraphs on future on your own, alright, without anyone's help. So I hope you have understood the entire thing, and if you have, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you can understand better. That's it for today. Till then, take care, lots of love, bye bye, and yes, do subscribe to the channel, because in WASM many times we have a lot of problems. So subscribe so that you can see it as soon as it's uploaded. Okay, bye bye, take care, lots of love.